All my young attorneys out there, I want you to pull up my case. Fayetteville, Georgia. Tell me what you see. Once again, I need all our future attorneys. Pull my case up. Fayetteville, Georgia. Michelle McCutcheon is the prosecutor, Georgia District Attorney. I haven't given you guys any details, but I'm gonna start giving you more details. My prosecutor, Michelle McCutcheon, heard the 911 tapes. The response was so huge, so many people hit me back in my DMs. Let's reach out to Michelle McCutcheon ourselves. Let's reach out to her. You know, first and foremost, the plaintiff said that I pistol whipped him to his jaw broke. And on the 911 tapes, he didn't even mention he was injured, talking clearly. Black woman, Michelle McCutcheon, disappointed me. She saw the tape, she saw the inconsistencies at the hearing, and she still moved forward to prosecute. I want to visit Georgia State University. I want to speak with some current law students. Y'all go ahead and hit me up. It's enough of y'all hitting. Come on, let's go. Just landed. I want to thank everybody, man. So many law students that hit me up talking about my case pending Fayetteville, Georgia. And as a matter of fact, when I come out there, I'm going to bring you all copies of my case to go through from top to bottom. Georgia State University. Let's go.
Thanks for checking them. Check it out now. Rick Ross. Now, pretty much he's not happy that the prosecutor's going extra hard at him, all right? Now, he was pretty confident along with his lawyer that the case that was a criminal case, which basically, if you don't know the whole story, he's accused of coming home. He bought a big old mansion for over $4 million. Apparently, people he paid to do landscaping, grounds work, and other construction work because he was working on the place. He found his workers having a fucking party at his crib, all right? He was away for a while. He came back. The people who were supposed to work and go home was having a fucking fiesta at his crib, okay? Now, Rick Ross looking around like, y'all niggas really tap dancing on my marble floors, choked one of them the fuck out, grabbed a pistol, allegedly, pistol whipped him, and basically beat him the fuck up. Now, that guy went to the police, and that guy got Rick Ross locked up. So Rick Ross was locked up on a lot of charges along with his bodyguard for kidnapping, pistol whipping, assault, all type of stuff, right? Now, he's still going through that because he's wearing an ankle monitor. The court has been overly generous to him. He could even leave the country. He pretty much has no restrictions. He doesn't even have to, at first he had to, as soon as he got back to Atlanta, he got to go directly to where he lives, but he doesn't have to do that anymore. So he's pretty much kind of free to move around. However, the case still lingers, and he thought that the case would be thrown out and not even be taken to trial, but that's not the case. So what you guys just pretty much saw is Rick Ross basically lamenting over the fact that his case will be going to trial, right? And it's going forward to a trial because the prosecutor going hard, the judge ain't really having it, so they're not throwing it out, which means he's going to either have to take a plea or he's either going to have to get found innocent or guilty. And of course, if he's innocent, he's completely free. But if you get found guilty, you fucked up, okay? Look what happened to Kevin Gates. He's doing 180 days, all right? Now, in all honesty, man, this is a bad move for Rick Ross. He should take note from the artist that he signed, Meek Mill, calling out the judge, calling out the DA, the prosecutor that's on your particular case. Never a good idea. You know they use social media, and I get it. You think she's black, you're black. She should give you some type of pass or not go as hard or maybe not do whatever, but that's her job. You know what I mean? This is a high-profile case for her. If she wins it, she's going to probably get a lot of pat on the back. So it's probably nothing personal. She just want to put your ass in jail just as she could get a promotion. Okay, she don't give a fuck about black or white. But I would probably caution Rick Ross to chill the fuck out with talking about the prosecutor or even your case like this. I'm pretty sure no lawyer, and you must not have too much trust in your lawyers if you're trying to crowdfund your research for your case, telling law students to go look into it. I mean, you could do that on a private type of thing, but when you just announce it to the internet, you're saying basically she's not playing fair. I don't think that's a good thing. Okay, I wish Rick Ross the best of luck, but his case will be going forward to trial. And despite him being free while being on house arrest and being able to move around and tour and get money as he needs to, he still has to face these charges, and it looks like they're not going away easy, all right? By the way, one of the evidence he says is that he said, how the fuck I broke his jaw when I was, quote, pistol whipping him when he was talking to the police on the 911 tapes, and he sounded perfectly fine. I don't know. So we'll see, man. But his case is going towards trial. It is not thrown out, and the prosecutor does not want it thrown out. And they believe and are very confident that they got enough evidence to convict Rick Ross. We'll see what happens, but he is the biggest boss. I expect him to call in a couple of favors, okay? And I'll get that thrown out, or at least get off the whole case. All right? Get in the comment box. Make sure you guys like them and subscribe to Akademiks. I'm out.